Welcome to the Canva Mastery course, the ultimate guide to Canva. Whether you are a creative enthusiast, a business professional, a student, or someone looking to improve their design skills, this course is tailored to help you become a Canva pro. I'm Neeraj Kumar Singh, your mentor, and I will be your guide throughout this exciting journey of unleashing your creativity with Canva. As a design enthusiast and Canva expert, I have designed this course with one goal in mind: to empower you with the skills and knowledge needed to create stunning and visual content effortlessly. In this comprehensive course, we will start from the very basics, ensuring everyone is on the same page. We will walk you through the Canva interface, show you how to set up your account, and explore the various design tools and options available. From there, we will dive into the practical aspects, starting with designing eye-catching social media graphics. You will learn to create posts for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, utilizing Canva's vast collection of templates, images, and icons. We will also cover the best practices for engaging your audience effectively. But that's just the beginning. We will then venture into the world of presentations, where you will learn to craft visually appealing slides for both business and academic purposes. You will discover how to add transitions, animations, and multimedia elements that will captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Additionally, we will explore the designing posters, flyers, and business cards, essential assets for promoting events, businesses, or personal projects. You will master the art of customizing layouts, selecting the perfect colors, and incorporating your brand's identity seamlessly. As we progress, you will delve into creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, infographics, and ebooks covers. You will gain the skills to make your content stand out and convey information effectively through visual storytelling. Moreover, we will focus on personal branding with Canva, enabling you to establish a strong and consistent brand identity. Whether you are an individual, entrepreneur, or a freelancer, you will learn to design logos, social media banners, and website graphics that reflect your unique personality or business values. Throughout the course, we will cover various design projects, including event invitations, web banners, and social media ads. You will acquire the expertise to tailor your designs to suit specific purposes and platforms, maximizing their impact and effectiveness. By the end of this course, you will have gained the confidence to design like a pro using Canva. Whether you are creating content for yourself, your business, or your clients, you will be equipped with the skills and creativity to make a lasting impact with your designs. So, if you are ready to embark on this exciting design journey, let's dive in. Grab your creative hats and let's unlock the full potential of Canva together. Enroll now in the Canva Mastery course, the ultimate guide to Canva. See you in the first lesson. For now, bye bye.